Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Well, as you can see, I've been playing around and I just scraped one. So what I did was I put all the paint back in the middle. I was doing a Dutch pour. And I didn't care for it. So I didn't like that gold in there. So what I think I'm gonna do, take some of this, just gonna spread this out. And start again. I'm gonna leave the gold out. Maybe put a bit less paint down. This is Ultraviolet by Amsterdam. And I've got I'm going to use Oriental Violet, Permanent Red Violet, Blue Violet. Okay, I'm going to do the Blue Violet next. And some Red Violet. Permanent Red Violet by Amsterdam. Did I have turquoise? Yeah, I want some turquoise in there. And then I'm going to put some Oriental Violet. I don't think I put this in the last one, so. You know what? I think I'm just going to put a dab of the dark in the middle. Use my hair dryer again, but I'm going to use it on low this time. Cool and low. Well, that was more controlled with the low setting. Ooh, I got cells here. I got some of the gold came through from underneath. I just hope I have enough white paint down. I should have added more. I'll add some more around the edge. I don't do a lot of Dutch pours, so I'm really not that experienced, but I'm trying to get better. Okay, so all right, so let's it's kind of different. I don't think I want to spin it anymore because it's all coming off, so I guess I have to put less paint down so it doesn't all go out too much, I guess. What do you think? It's not too bad. It's kind of pretty. I think I'll let it dry and see what it looks like. It's kind of neat. Something different. If I need any more embellishing, make sure I didn't miss anything. Did this one, that one. Give it a little bit of some little pizzazz, a little more pizzazz. Okay, I think I'm gonna be done here. Let's have a look. Oh, didn't do, what's this one? All right, I think I'm done. Am I done? Am I done? Am I done? Okay, I'm done. Thanks for watching. And I'll hold this up a little closer. Should I go bigger? Yes, I should go bigger. That is pretty. I really, once I stand back and have a good look, it's very pretty. Those colors are so pretty. All right, well, thanks for watching. Have a great day and come back to Carol's Art Room, and I'll put the dried result at the end. It might take a few days. These do take longer to dry because I put them under my box in the winter when the heat is on, so they don't crack. All right, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell and you'll be notified when I do a new video. Comment below. Like, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, here's my dried canvas, 12 by 12. It dried pretty good. It did move a little bit, but not too bad. There was probably a little bit too much paint left on, so it just moved if it's thin. But yeah, I think it's very pretty. Look, I like it. Lots of good little cool spots here. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.